Hello guys.
Good morning, guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to the channel.
Today I'm
In Zanzibar.
in Jambiani, a village called Mataruni. I'm at the Paje.
So let's do it. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel once again. And today is another day. Beautiful, yet very soaked up day in Zanzibar because it has been raining since morning. And I'm starting my day quite late because I was waiting for the rain to stop. And yes, now I'm off for the exploration of Stone Town. And I'm not interested or to waste my time in slave market museum or any other kind of museums, but I'm going to a place which is a museum though, and it has a connections with Freddie Mercury. So as you might know, Freddie Mercury was born in Zanzibar, Stone Town. Tons of street vendors, they are just trying to sell you some stuff. Jumbo. Good, good. So I will go to the place and I will show you around over there.
the next day.
So, guys, today is another beautiful day in Zanzibar, and I'm just hanging out at the beach. It's amazing. Let me show you the views. I'm over here with my friends, and it's good. Just chilling. Don't have anything to do today. Well, at least I wanted to go to the prison island, but I'll be doing that thing tomorrow. The thing is that couple of hours ago, like, it was raining, so that's why people are not over here right now at the beach. So it's quite empty and nice, you know. It feels like you are on a private beach. That's good. So let's see how the day goes by.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, guys. Today is another day out here in Zanzibar. It's much better than last couple of days. It's not raining, it's quite shining, and it's a perfect day to go to Prison Island and see some things over there. I'm going to meet one of my friends whom I met yesterday at the beach, and then we'll go together to Prison Island. So let's do it. So, guys, this place is it's just a small island on the coast of Zanzibar, and it was supposed to be a prison island. So the Omani prince built up a prison over here on this island, but it was never used. So now it's just like a museum kind of a thing, and there are big turtles over here, which are being in very conservancy. So you can come over here and see those turtles. So we came back from the prison island, and now we are going to Paje, and I'm going to spend my last days of this trip in uh, in Paje, which is like on the eastern side of this island, Zanzibar island, and which is known for the parties and the nightlife. The hostels over there are quite good. A lot of solo travelers, so I have high expectations for Paje. To see you in Paje. You did with your hands.